Hi, I'm Ken Ringering. I'm the 2022 president of Capital Lakefair. This event, it brings fun in the middle of summer to the community, a place to where families can bring their kids and establish memories and just have a great time in the middle of summer. Lakefair started in 1957 with a group of Downtown Business Association members that wanted to bring a celebration to the town in the summer and celebrate our beautiful lake.
Hi, my name is Karen Griggs. I am with Capital Lakefair. I am a past president as well as the Royalty Chair. We have 50 arts and craft vendors that are coming this year to Capital Lakefair, and about 40 of them are selling handmade, handcrafted items to the community. We also have an incredible main stage. Throughout the week, we host many events. The first night, Wednesday night, is the Bridge Music Project, which is produced by high school students. We also have, of course, Funtastic Carnival. Thursday night is traditionally Royalty Night on the main stage, and that is in the past where we crowned the Queen of Lakefair, but that is now crowned in February. So the Royalty Night now represents the girls and their speeches that they give as the ambassadors to our community. This weekend alone, we are doing face painting with Lacey Sunrise Lions. Friday night is an amazing night at Lakefair. We have huge performers on the main stage. So the main stage is our big draw for performers to come in, as well as enjoy the food row and continue on through the carnival. Saturday, of course, is our Grand Parade. We are proud to present the Grand Parade, which comes Saturday at 5 p.m. down Capitol Way, which has happened for 65 years in our community.
Our parade has been one of the biggest regional parades in the Northwest. We're a small community, but we've had a fairly good sized parade. And we bring all different kinds of elements. We bring floats from the Northwest Festival hosting group, and then also just little communities and businesses and politicians want to be a part. So this year we've got a very large military band. They are stationed at JBLM for the summer, and they're coming with their military band. We've got the All-City Band out of Seattle. They're always a crowd favorite.
And of course, Sunday night is the highlight, the capstone of the week. Capstone of the week by the big fireworks show. At 10:15 at night, right over the Capitol, you will see a beautiful firework display. Our theme this year for Capital Lakefair was developed by Ken Ringering, our president, and it is Unity in Our Community. And unity in our community is so needed after a 2-year hiatus, bringing Lakefair back to our community.
The community can help us by coming out and supporting our vendors, our food row, which it puts money back into the community. We've been reaching out with and trying to bring cohesiveness back to downtown and other to make this more of a community event for the downtown business as well. We want to help support downtown businesses, and we don't just want to be here on the corner of the lake. We want it to spill over into our businesses. It's a good year to come out and enjoy, get to have some fun, and come out and enjoy some food and come and enjoy being a part of your community again. Come back together. The community is so important for us, and just to come together and celebrate. Lakefair is just a great time to bring the community here to celebrate and have a fun time go on rides and enjoy the community parade and fireworks and enjoy fair food and other food, and just a good time and just to come celebrate together in the community.